Promise me something first.
Anything, but hurry up for God's sake.
Will you swear to be true to me?
I will. Where's the bloody key?
And will we go away together?
I swear it on my grandmother's grave.
Hey, Larry, your wife's come to say goodbye to you.
I'll be the holy on the stride again.
Oh, Larry, what have they done to you? Who are you?
A very good friend of Larry's.
Well, I happen to be his wife. I've come to say goodbye to my husband.
I've come to help him escape. We're going away together.
Look, couldn't we go and discuss this over a few jars?
But Larry, how could you? You promised you'd never look at another woman.
No manner of speaking.
He promised me too.
I won't. If I ever get out of this place, I'm going into a monastery.
Don't cry, he isn't worth it.
I know he isn't, but I loved him. So did I.
I once loved a boy, and a bonny, bonny boy, who would come and would go at my request. I loved him so well, and so very, very well, that I built him a bower in my breast. I once loved a boy, and a bonny, bonny boy, and a boy that I thought was my own. But he loves another girl better far than me, and has taken his leave and is gone. The girl that has taken my own bonny boy, let her make of him all that she can. For whether he loves me or loves me not, I will walk with my love now and then. I once loved a boy, and a bonny, bonny boy, who would come and would go at my request. I loved him so well, and so very, very well, that I built him a bower in my breast.
Jeez, I'm dry.
It been the 23rd of June as I sat weaving all on my loom.
It been the 23rd of June as I sat waving all on me loom.
A birdie sat in an ivy bush, and the song he sang was the George.
Lally folly, lally folly, diddly-diddly-dum, skirry-diddly-dum, skirry-diddly-dum, dee.
What more than fashion could I bide aside and to sit them down by an alehouse fire?
What more of fashion could a boy desire than to sit him down by an alehouse fire? And on his knee a tidy wench, iron on the table a jug of punch.
Lally folly, lally folly, diddly-diddly-dum, skirry-diddly-dum, skirry-diddly-dum, dee.
And what more hardship could a boy endure than to sit him down way outside the door?
What more hardship could I endure than to sit them down or behind the door?
And on his knee no tidy wench, iron on the table no jug of punch.
Lally folly, lally folly, diddly-diddly-dum, skirry-diddly-dum, skirry-diddly-dum, dee.
When I am dead and my drinking's over, I'll take one drink and I'll drink no more.
when I am dead and me drinking's over, I'll take one drink while it's to the fore.
In case I don't get it on that day, I will take it now and I'll mill away.
Lally-folly-dee, lally-folly-diddle-diddle-dum, skiddy-diddle-diddle-dum, skiddy-diddle-diddle-dum-dum-dee.
Fill him up again.
Ah, come on now, we better go back and see Larry. He'd be destroyed with thirst and him and only a few hours left to live.
Look, I know that. His wife's just got in to say goodbye to him. They'll want to be alone. He won't be thinking about a few jars at a time like this.
Wonder what's keeping him at all. Here's the keys. Look it, you won't let me out. Would you ever go and unlock the front door and let me friends in? They're bringing me back a few jars.
I'll do that for you, Larry. Just to show there's no hard feelings.
So it's goodbye, Larry. Oh, I feel as if my heart would break in two.
How do you think I feel? I never was hanged before.
I tried to be a good wife to you, Larry.
I know, love. You were very trying.
Oh, Larry, aren't you sorry for all the wicked things you've done to me? Don't you wish you'd been a better husband?
I'll tell you what I wish. I wish in vain. I wish I was a youth again. But a youth again I can never be. Till the apples grow on an ivy tree. I left me father, I left me mother, I left all me sisters and brothers too. I left all me friends and me own religion. I left them all for to follow you. For the sweetest apple is the soonest rotten, and the hottest love is the soonest cold. And what can't be cured, love, has to be endured, love. And now I am bound for the gallows tree. Oh, love is pleasing, and love is tasting, and love is a pleasure when first it's new. But as it grows older, sure the love grows colder, and it fades away like the morning dew. Oh, love and porter makes a young man older, and love and whiskey makes him old and grey. And what can't be cured, love, has to be endured, love. And now I am bound for the gallows tree. Hey, Paul. Where are you, Polly? Come back, love. I don't want to be left alone. Would you believe that? Even my own legal wedded wife deserted me. There's no justice.
Hey, Larry, we brought you a jar of porter.
I heard you.
Don't you want it?
Of course I want it. I've been wanting it for the last 2 hours. Did you ever know what time I didn't want it?
I'm sorry we were so long, Larry.
If you'd have been any longer, there'd be no point in bringing it at all. I'm glad to see you, lads. I've one last request to make.
Granted.